Now I've got these parts disassembled. As you can see right here, this is what I'm replacing. Now I'm going to show you what the original one looked like. And boy, it was a mess. Alright, this is the original, and boy, we had a little bit of corrosion on there if you can't tell. And the hard part though is this thing, Ford engineers decided instead of a bolt-on, they're going to do a crimp-on, right? But I don't have the crimping tools, and I was able to get this thing apart pretty easily using this little handy-dandy tool right there, your vice grips, which is nice, and a pair of channel lock plumbing pliers. I was able to get that crimp piece open right there and pull it all apart. Then putting this new piece back on there wasn't too difficult. I just used the vice grips, opened it up, kind of got it bent all around, and then I had to steal this from another gentleman on the video, but I took this little piece right here and I stuck it right down there, and I crimped down on top of that, and that gave me a pretty good solid crimp right there, as you can see. So it's not coming off, it's tighter than a lark, and I'm going to get it wrapped up with some electrical tape here in just a second. Alright, now as you can see, I've got the piece all wrapped up in electrical tape, and now I'm going to be able to assemble this back together. So this piece kind of goes up here, and they're going to bolt onto this bolt right here. So this piece is going to go on top of here, and then underneath here you can see there's another one right there. That one's going to go on top of this one, and we'll go onto this bolt right here, secured with the original nut that came with it sitting right there. Then we've got a completed terminal replacement, and I'll just put the battery back in and we'll be good to go. Alrighty folks, as you can see here, we've got a completed system. We got electrical tape rolled around in there. It's all replaced and look like we're going to be good to go. I'm going to connect the negative terminals and spray on some battery protectant as well, or terminal protectant, and that's pretty much the whole project. It took me about 45 minutes to an hour once I got all the parts. The hardest part was getting the old terminal clamp off of the cable and then putting the new one back on, but that total part probably 20 minutes total. Well worth the parts. Total cost on the new terminal clamp was about $21.99, I believe, at the Ford dealership. They didn't have it at O'Reilly's, so that's pretty much it. Good luck in replacing your 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150 positive battery terminal clamp without having to do the whole wiring harness thing. Have a great day, y'all. And last but not least, there's your final product. This truck literally had zero start capability. It was dead, and now we're back in business.